Hi Libra, welcome to your April 2021 reading. And in this reading, I'm going to be looking at your immediate past, your coming times, and of course, what you're going through in the present moment. And Libras, if you'd like to join me for a free reading, please you hop onto my Instagram and Facebook. The links to both the places are down below. And I'm going to be going live very soon. So if you have a question on your mind and would like me to answer that for you, um, make sure you catch me at any of these two places. And let me go forward and see. Also, Libra, I have an important announcement to make. I'm going to be publishing readings only for Virgo, Libra, Aquarius. I'm sorry, I didn't know Aquarius. Virgo, Libra, and Scorpio on my channel. That's where I get most number of views, and I'm also engaged with teaching the craft that I practice, like automatic writing, tarot card reading, and lots of other psychic things that I do. And so that takes a lot of time to upload every video, and if the numbers on the views are not that great, it's very disheartening. So YouTube keeps changing the algorithms, and it requires us to be abreast with the news and the updates, but it can be a little overwhelming at times. Beautiful. So, Libra, if you do look at your other signs here on my channel, please remember that I am going to be publishing information about each of the 12 zodiac signs, but in a clubbed all 12 signs reading, where I'm going to cover each of the 12 zodiac signs once a week. So, thank you for all the times you've liked, viewed, and shared and subscribed to my channel, Libra. Lots of love for that. So let me go forward and dig into your reading to see what the spirits, guides, and angels have for my Libra, please. For my lovely Libras, what messages do you have? Something they haven't seen and known yet. Please share with me. So Libra, in your immediate past, I feel like there have been some happy times, and you've been either socializing or you've been thinking and planning about your future, and that has kept you occupied. I also feel with the card of the star, like I said, Aquarius. Um, the card of the star is Aquarius energy, so that did fall out on its own. So I feel like some of you Libras could be dealing with an Aquarius, or you could have a strong Aquarius in your own chart. But I feel like Libra, you're on to something that's going to land you in something big and a more stable place, and that's where you are working towards. You also get the card of Nine of Cups in your immediate past, and there's the card of the Ten of Wheel. I feel like Libra, you have been working on something, and this could be towards working on something you've had or cherished as a dream, or you've been wanting to do for some time now, and now you're finally taking that leap, and you're actually working towards that. So this is a project or a person or a place or something that's very, very close to your heart. And with the Nine of Cups followed by the Ten of Wheel energy, I see you finally taking action towards that. It's no longer just a desire in your heart. You are making attempts to allow this energy to come into real life manifest for you. And with the card of the wheel, I don't know if you can see this. Let me turn the camera a little bit. With the card of the wheel turning here, I feel like you know what to do, and you are going to take steps forward to do that, Libra. So you're very much in the energy of a powerful person who knows where they want to go, and they are going to take steps to go there, to be there. In your present time, whenever you're looking at this reading, probably this time is running for you then. You have done some things really well. You've been working very, very hard, Libra, and the spirit has been constantly telling me that Libra needs to take a rest. They need to take some time off for themselves. They need to invest some time in self care. You've been doing something really, really with a lot of hard work and understanding. And I feel like now is the time where you want to step aside and see how the ideas you've planned or worked towards, how are they going to shape up for you. And I feel like you're stepping into something really more stable and fortunate. I don't know why the word fortunate is coming out. And I also feel like this is going to be here for some time. So after the card of the world, there is the hanged man energy. I feel like you've been thinking about big plans. This could even mean reaching out to people of different ethnicity or interacting with people in different parts of the world. But now you are very much in your power. I don't see the card of hanged man as a delay. I do see it as an energy where you are trying to recoup yourself better and to gather all your energy before you make that final, um, you know, make the final announcement or the make the final blow. But the card of the Empress here is looking really good, following the card of the Hangman. So this tells me that you're working on a big project or something long term in the month of April. This may show results probably in the near future or a few months from now. But you are working on something and it is shaping up for you. You also have some amazing new ideas. I don't know why, but I'm also feeling a lot of cherub angels around you, Libra. These could be probably some of you Libra are ready to conceive, you want to conceive. If you don't want to, you might want to watch out for that energy. But I also feel that some of you Libra could be meeting some one like a nephew or a niece, or being around a lot of children or meeting children. But I see a lot of cherub angels around you, and that's keeping you lighthearted, though you're still very intensely in the energy of planning and going forward in the month of April, Libra. The card of justice in your immediate times, I feel like, and the justice is the Libra energy. So whatever you do, you've been doing, you are going to stand up for your beliefs, and I see you speaking your mind a lot. With the card of the Hierophant here, like I said, you have been working towards something big. So now, if you see in this row, the Knight of Cups, the Hanged Man, and the Hierophant, you are working towards your goals or plans or purpose that was very, very close to your heart. You could have been nurturing this for some time, and you're going deeper into the subject, and you are making long-term plans here with the card of the Hierophant. You could, some of you could be hiring, some of you could be starting out in a new organization, some of you could be starting your own work here, Libra, and you could be wanting to bring in new people. So also with the King of Wands, I definitely see you in a very powerful position. So your immediate future tells me, Libra, the card of Justice, Hierophant, and the King of Wands, you are thinking and gradually coming to a position where you're level headed, you're operating very carefully from your thoughts and the guidance coming to you from your spirit guides and the universe. And you're building on something very big, even spiritually. Look how wonderful the card looks. And there are small little signs, these spiritual signs, like the Om, the sign of infinity, and the pentagram sign. I don't know if you can see that, but you're also working on the divine guidance coming towards you or on you that you are already a part of, Libra. And somewhere this spiritual knowledge or this spiritual talent or this divine information that's pouring on you is giving you that sense of power and liberty to keep going forward or to keep marching forward with confidence. I also feel like now there's a tiny, in the card of Hanged Man here, there's a tiny circle that is number 11. I feel you're definitely very intuitive and you're in sync with the and universal energy. I also feel like you're going to have moments of you're going to feel very ecstatic sometimes. Sometime you may even feel like you've gone crazy with happiness, Libra. But this is self-love and this is happiness that's coming from within. And this happiness, this joyful energy is coming to you because you are a part of the higher energy that's coming from the universe towards you. Yes. So Libra, you're going to find the month of April very, very significant when it comes to building plans, making plans, and working on them as well. Let me draw you some more cards for Libra, please. Something they haven't already seen. Beautiful, this fell out. So there's the card of the moon. I don't feel like this is a negativity here. I, however, feel like there is somebody very jealous around you, Libra. They could be trying to keep a tab on you, they could be stalking you, they could be checking your status often, they could be checking out your social media profiles often, and they're not very, very pleasant people around you. However, you're still very guided and protected against such energies, Libra. Again, the card of Hanged Man is there. These could be people trying to prevent your progress, but this is you, Five of Swords energy. You are so powerful here, Libra. After the King of Wands, you have the Five of Swords energy. You're going to think about this well. You're even going to get knowledge about who these people are, who your hidden enemies are in time, and you will be able to walk all over them and be victorious. You get the card of Five of Swords. You will not allow them to come in the way of you and progress. You have the Ace of Cups. I have been waiting for this card, Libra, because even before I started your reading, sorry, I was getting messages from my guides that said something about a new love for Libra, and there is the card of Ace of Cups here. I feel like some of you Libra could be having a new relationship coming in. Probably if it didn't happen for you last month, or the person just showed up towards the end of the month and not very sure if they want to take the energy forward. Um, Here it is again in the month of April. They could be making up their mind, they could be thinking about you a lot, and the Ace of Cups is succeeded by the Four of Wands energy, and this tells me that they could be wanting something solid and long term with you, and that's why probably they didn't come out or they didn't surface completely in the previous times, and now they want a more stable time with you. There's the High Priestess energy here. They may still want to take a little time. So I feel like Libra, this person is going to test your patience. They are going to stay in the background and observe you. There's the Queen of Cups energy here. That this person is very, very intuitive. Could be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces around you, Libra. Maybe, may not be. I also have the energy of Aquarius. Then there is the Taurus energy. Then there is also all the fire signs and the Libra energy. So this person is a little mysterious or likes to keep things to themselves, maybe a little secretive too, but they are taking a little time when it comes to coming forward. They might seek your time in the month of April. They might want to text you, get replies. They might want to talk to you. They might want to ask you to see you. They might not come forward completely, with the Knight of Pentacles energy. I feel like they're going to be very, very slow in their approach because they are looking at building something big and long term with you, Libra. So, in the very first instance, when you meet them or see them, they might just come across as an ordinary Tom, Dick, and Harry. It could be a female for some of you, but they are really observing you and they don't want to rush things. They are definitely going to ask you for your time in any which way, and you will find out about them gradually. But this is a very secretive and a mysterious energy around you, Libra, and they've been there for some time now. Any more messages for Libra, please? Any more messages, spirits, guides, angels? For my lovely Libras, you get the card of Tower. And just before you, I have read for the Scorpio energy. And I feel like for the card of the Tower, Libra, you have also decided to chuck and leave people and things in the past. You're just so fed up. And just when you begin to move on to work on your own self, your growth, your development, what do we have? What do we have? Yeah, they want to come back in. We have the Eight of Wands energy. I had been getting the message through my guides, but just when I pull out the card of Eight of Wands is here. Just when you think you want to leave all the nonsense behind and move on, whoever this is pursuing you, or this could even be somebody from the past. At the bottom of the deck, we have the Five of Wands energy. What you don't see is the Five of Wands energy. A lot of people are definitely keeping an eye on you, and I feel like these could be some 2 to 5 people, not all at the same level of feelings for you, um, though, but just when you decide to leave everything behind and move on and work on your own progress, I feel like this person comes in and now they want to work on, they want to get you back, Libra. They want to get you back. Just when you decide to move on, shake things up for you, you have decided that you deserve better, and you certainly do, Libra. And just when you start working on yourself and you're actually on your way, they come in. They want to. For some of you, Libra, you may already be seeing this when you are looking at your reading, and for some of you, Libras, you could be sensing this around you. You already very, very intuitive. So you could be sensing this around you, like maybe about to happen. So, all right, Libra, I hope you like this reading. If this helps, please do give it a thumbs up. That helps to reach the reading to more people who might need to hear this. And also remember to check out the Instagram and Facebook links. That's where I go live to offer your free readings. And I don't know why I'm stammering. I feel like some of you Libra could be having a difficult time with your throat chakra, expressing yourself. There could be a lot of emotional turmoil going on inside of you, and that's what you've not been expressing to somebody or anyone. Probably try writing it down, or you could even enroll for my automatic writing course if that is something you feel guided to. But if this helps, please do give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon if you haven't done that already. I'm going to be back with more helpful readings for you. Bye bye, take care, and lots of love.